In this video, we highlight a recent job at Foremost Farms.
After working with your team to develop the scope for the project, we will do a walkthrough prior to providing an estimate. This might include looking at the current drainage of the room or the condition of the existing coating. Then we will determine what system will best fit in the given environment.
When our crew arrives at the plant, the first thing they do is unload our semi. Indoo is proud to have our own fleet of trucks that carry our manufactured materials to each and every job site. For reference, here are some pictures of the floor beforehand. Next, the team works to prep the existing floor. The prep is done with both walk-behind mechanical grinders and hand detailing of the edges to achieve the proper surface profile that allows our coating to bond with the substrate. Then, our Indoo NT is hand-troweled onto the existing subfloor, and we broadcast the sand excess into the coating, creating a non-slip texture. "24 hours later, the team will sweep off any excess sand remaining on the coating.
At this point, we will cut out control joints that were previously marked and honor existing saw cuts to allow the movement of concrete to come up through the slab. Once we have opened up the control joints, we will install a 2-component polyura joint filler.
During this time, the vertical and 45-degree angle wall cove material will be applied. Finally, a top coat is applied. The floor will then be ready for normal operations and foot traffic in 24 to 48 hours. And here's the final product. Does your plant have flooring needs? Indoo services companies all over the United States. Give us a call today at 800-577-6213 or find your personal representative at indoo.com.